Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to host a website on IONOS. Now, the first thing I want you to do once you're logged in, come in the top, click on menu, and you'll get all of these options, including hosting. This is what I want you to click on. And if you don't see hosting, what I need you to do is click on add product, and you'll be redirected to this page. Just scroll down a little bit until you reach this part, web hosting. And now you can choose which one you want. Let's say this one. You just click on it and then you choose your plan. So this one, WordPress Grow, you can get a free trial and then just toggle this one on, click on order now. After that, you'll see this option and then I want you to click on hosting right here. And what I want you to do once it redirects you to this page right here, if you haven't already, choose how you want to set it up. So I'll just do install application and we will choose WordPress because that is what I'm using for my website. So you click on install and it will go ahead and install all of the necessary databases as well. So you can choose to go ahead and get their managed WordPress or you can manage it yourself. So you can click on this one, for example, add this to your cart, just agree to the terms. There you go. We have ordered it. And then you will get this pop-up that your basket is being processed and then they'll begin installing it. As you can see, it's currently being added. Just give it about 20 to 30 seconds. Once that is done, you can click on go to the new product and then just come here, click on install application and just choose WordPress install right here. And then go ahead and use your managed WordPress. Okay. Or you can manage it yourself. It will ask you to enter your project name, enter that, click on next. And now we need to create an admin user. So username and password. And then you can click here on next. And now we just need to select our domain. Click on next right here. So this is our project name, admin user, domain system. You can click on install WordPress. As you can see, it is currently being installed right here. Just give this a few minutes. There you go. The website is now being hosted. And there you go. It has now been successfully installed. And you can begin, designing your website. It has been successfully hosted. And that is how to host a website on IONOS.